Hi, it's Ileana here, and I would like to talk about the recent solar flare that happened. So it has, at first, it was on September the 5th, it was rated as R1, S1 on the scale. When I went and checked on spaceweather.com, now it's been upgraded to an X.93 earlier today, and then an X10.1. And I'd seen the sky turn kind of pinkish and yellow on September the 4th as well. And it was a lower class solar flare on September 4th. So, and I had seen, and the sun was really yellow, this really rich yellow color. Not like white, but yellow. And I could see it from Black Mountain in Kelowna, BC. But then on September the 5th and 6th, I saw the sun enlarge. It got red, orange, even brighter yellow, and it was larger than on September the 4th. And the sky was also pink. So I took some video of it from September the 5th, where you'll see the view of Black Mountain in the horizon with the sun. And also today, I took some video from the ridgeline, also behind Black Mountain in Kelowna, BC. So we are to expect some CMEs, because what's happening, there are some holes in the corona of the sun. So it will be releasing plasma energy from the corona. So it's going beyond the solar flare. It's going beyond geomagnetic storming. It's going straight to the CMEs, corona mass ejections. So electricity could go down, the electromagnetic grid could go down, cars could stop, satellites could stop if it's really massive CMEs. And this is one of the larger solar flares since 2005, and it's 2017 right now, the year. So the CME could be big. So please have some flashlights that have running batteries, have enough water, have enough food, have enough gas for your car, just in case, you never know. They're not sure how strong the CMEs will be, but it's going to hit us late tonight, tomorrow, which is Thursday, Friday. Today's Wednesday. Just be prepared. The electricity might go out. The lights might go out. So, and people have been noticing that they've been feeling a little dizzy, woozy. They've had some confusion, temporary memory loss, forgetfulness, headaches. That's part of the conscious experience of a solar flare and CMEs. Because this energy is intense. And especially if you go outside and you look at the sun while the solar flare is happening, you can see that the sun is huge. The colors are different. And it's hot. It's very hot in the environment. So you could feel it as well. It's intense. So just be prepared for that. And also mass consciousness, what it could do for our DNA and evolution. It could give us some DNA upgrades where our awareness will be raised towards awakening process. Suddenly we might be aware of more than we were before. We'll get data upgrades, DNA evolution, our psychic abilities, latent abilities will be suddenly awakened, and the abilities will be triggered. Because massive particles of energy and plasma are coming out from the sun, from the corona, the holes in the sun. And that's coming towards the Earth. The electromagnetic energy from the sun is coming towards the Earth and entering the Earth atmosphere as well. So that's, I think it will impact us on, it could impact us on an evolutionary scale and activate our DNA. Plus, we could expect to see some aurora at night or early in the morning, depending on how strong the CMEs are, of different bright lights in the sky and on the horizon. So we could expect to see that possibly. And just see how you feel. And again, I've done 2 videos, one yesterday and one today, of what's going on with the sun, that it's changing. There's also a lot of fires happening in British Columbia and in Washington area and also in California. So there's haze and smog in the sky, but you could still see the sun, very bright. And I've noticed, I'm living in Kelowna right now. There's a fire in Peachland and there's a fire in East Kelowna, where I am behind the mountain. But the thing is, I've never seen the sun this reddish orange yellow hue with different layers. I've never seen that, even with the smoke. When it's hazy in the sky, it's always been white. The sun has always been white. So this is not because of fires per se. This is solar flares. That's why the sun is changing colors and it's much bigger and brighter and intense. It's not because of the fires. I don't think so. At least not for me. I haven't noticed that because of the fires, and I've been here 3 weeks in Kelowna. And I've seen a geomagnetic storm where the sky and my environment was reddish brown, so it felt like I was on Mars. It was that reddish brown tint to my environment, like on Mars. So that's my little report. So thank you and namaste.